GV20 user here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys NBA Now. This is a new game that recently got released. So this is a basketball game, of course, for mobile devices. So if you guys like basketball, y'all guys can check out this game. Y'all guys know there's other basketball games on phones like NBA 2K20, which is a new one. That's $5.99. This one's a free game right here. This one's free. You don't have to pay nothing. You don't have to pay nothing to play this game. It's completely free. If you guys want to get stuff in the game, is obviously microtransactions for that, obviously. So this is what the game looks like. This game is in portrait mode the whole time, so do keep that in mind. So this is what the game looks like. So let's check this out. You can sync your Facebook and your play games to this, which I recommend y'all guys do both. So this is the menu right here for NBA Now. Sorry about that. But yeah, this is the menu right here. Sorry about that, some news thing popping up for the game there. Sorry about that. So that'll pop up every time you launch the game, so y'all guys can have it checked to where it don't do it anymore. So this is what the screen looks like right here. Y'all guys, when you guys first get the game, you guys will be asked to pick a basketball team. I picked the Warriors, because why not? You know, they're a pretty good team, I guess. You know. So you guys have your menu up here. You'll have your level in your have your EXP up here. You'll have your currencies and stuff on the upper right, and then you'll have down here. You have like your team, your game, your home, whatever, your draft, and your store there to buy stuff if you guys want to. Your quest will be up here. Then you'll have your different modes like season. Your login bonuses, login bonus, free recharge, and all that different stuff. So I do have to claim all this stuff right here. I haven't claimed it yet. Yeah, the game looks pretty cool. I haven't really played it yet, so this is my first time playing this game. So I might suck at this game. So be prepared for that. So up here you have your thing. Your player profile, you'll have your picture, your name, whether you can change your name to whatever you want. I just have it that there. It will cost you some in-game currency to do that, which is bullshit, but whatever. You guys have your team info here. So I don't know what this 29 is there. I don't know what the 29 is. But as you guys have my team info, mailbox, storage, quest, daily goals, friends, and community. And you guys can sync your account, settings, and your notices there. Like I said, y'all guys can sync your Facebook account and your Play Games account, and you'll probably be able to sync your Game Center account for iPhone with this. This might be available for iPhone. I'm not really sure about that. It's available for Android. Yeah, you guys, you got your different things here. Your team info. It'll tell you the players you collected 12 out of 1,010. I see, I'm not sure what that is live. But I'm not sure what some of this stuff is, but you guys can check this out here. That's general, then you got your game here. I have not played new games yet, obviously, so you guys should keep track of that. Your mailbox, you'll have like mail and stuff you can claim, rewards and shit like that. I don't have new mail right now, so X out of that. Your storage thing is like your EXP and stuff like that, and different things, stats and upgrade boosters and all that stuff right there. Like I said, I really don't have nothing. I haven't really played this game. All I did was sync my Facebook and Play Games account to this. I really haven't played it yet. Quest, you have like quests to do here, like missions and stuff. So have that. Create your own team. Okay. I'm not gonna do that right now, but yeah. You have your daily goals here, so you have daily goals to do. So whatever, if you meet the goal, you'll get rewards for it and stuff like that. So yeah. And then you're back here. You have your friends. So if you have your Facebook friends, you can do that here. In your community, you can like share the game and stuff like that, and do other things. So yeah. You have your season 2 game. Let's see if you can jump into a quick game. What we got is season mode right here. I don't think you just we all got season mode, but let's play a game. So let's play games in season mode to earn coins, team EXP, GP, and player drafts. To start off, how about we warm up with the short 3-minute? How about we warm up with the short 3-game season? So this will take me to a tutorial. So, like I said, I'm gonna suck at this game right now. So, because we have the Warriors and the Sacramento Kings right there. If you win the game, you'll get $100. You'll get 100 points there and stuff like that. It does cost you 20 little things to play the thing. So, yeah. So I guess at 29, I showed y'all and where my profile is. That's like my overall team. So, play quarter 4, right? So I don't know how long these quarters are. So you got all these players here. You got Stephen Curry. You got Draymond Green and all these different players. I do know some of these players. Obviously, I know who Stephen Curry is and Draymond Green is and stuff like that. But I don't know a whole lot of basketball players. I really don't follow basketball like talking about it. So what's this? 2-minute quarters, alright, so apparently I'm up by 4. Think that was me. Yep, I'm the one that's got the ball. So these are controls. You got the shoot thing, and you got to lock down defense and shoot defense right there. So you only got 2 controls on this damn thing, which is, and you also got this. So yeah, I'm probably gonna end up losing this game, but whatever. It's just the fucking first look at this game, so it's kind of hard, dude. Like, if you think about it, like, dude. So I'm down by 1. So you use that bottom button to pass the ball. Then you use the shoot. So I'm up 95-96 with 59 seconds left in the fourth quarter here. So yeah. So this is pretty much gameplay right here. It's gonna get hard. It's gonna be a little hard to get used to. But I mean, it's alright, I guess. I mean, it's gonna be a little hard to get used to. I'm gonna get my ass kicked. So. Son of a bitch. So yeah, like I said, guys, I do suck at this game. Obviously, this is my first time playing, so you do have to keep that in mind, though. You know, so yeah, I'm losing by 2 here. Maybe if I can do something crazy. Why is it? I don't know. I think the Sacramento Kings got it back. I think I got the ball. Nope. I just tried to shoot from downtown and I couldn't get it. And now I'm going to end up losing this game by 2, so that's alright, whatever. So I lost the game by 2. It is what it is, guys. I don't know how long the quarters are. Probably 2-minute quarters, I guess. So I mean, it is what it is. So it doesn't matter if you lose or not, but you do want to try to win as much games as you can. Alright, it says, only the best rewards await you at the finals. Keep pushing for the championship. Okay. Can I quit out of this, or do I have to fucking play the thing? So, yeah, that's gameplay right there for you. You know, it's a little hard to get down. It's gonna take a while. It's gonna take you a while to get used to it and stuff. I didn't do that. I didn't do great. You know, I did not do great at all. I did terrible. I should have went to the training course, but fuck it. But I suggest you guys, you know, do tutorials on this game to learn how to do controls and stuff. You have predictions, which is interesting. You have live stats and live challenges and stuff like that. 24-hour champion thing right there. Seasons are at top here. So yeah, this is really cool. This is your little draft thing here. So you know, you got your draft here. Then your store, which you can buy stuff in the store if you guys want to. You don't have to, but if you wanna get stuff, you can do that. You can get stuff for like $9.99, $48.99, or $29.99, and you can get different things and stuff like that. This is your team right here. Guessing that's the head coach on the top left right there. I'm guessing that's the head coach for the Warriors, I guess. Don't know. So yeah, you have your baller packs and all that shit. What's hot and NBA. You'll have different things up here. Up here is you have your storage up here and stuff like that. If you guys need help or something, just click on the question mark and I'll help you guys out. Whatever you need, click on the question mark. If you guys need any help, it'll give you an idea of what each thing is. So that's always nice to have if you guys ever need help in the game. So yeah, now I just have to claim these rewards here. So do you guys have an NBA Now available for mobile devices? If you guys want to check this game out, it's free to play. Of course, check it out. I suggest you guys do the tutorials before you guys jump into a season game, because I wasn't doing that good. The controls will take a while to get used to, because they're like kind of weird. But this is in portrait mode, so do keep it in mind. And you guys will only play this game in portrait mode only. It's not like the other basketball games, yeah, it's not like that. Not like the other basketball games where you guys can play in landscape mode. This one's only in portrait mode only. So if you guys want to check out this game, it's available now to download. And it's available for Android, probably available for iOS. Y'all guys can sync your Facebook account and your Play Games and your Game Center account. So do that. Check it out if you guys are a fan of basketball. So yeah. So like, the game's cool and all. The graphics are not too bad, I guess, you know, but the controls will take a bit of time to get used to. So yeah, there you guys have it. NBA Now available on mobile devices. So if you guys are interested in this game, check the links below to download it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it lets me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.